Hello everyone, wishing everyone a very happy Diwali and a happy new year. And today is also Children's Day, to happy Children's Day. Have we ever noticed what is the energy in Diwali or even Eid or even Christmas? See the festival. What is the energy? It's the energy of happiness, joy, gratitude. Why am I saying all this? Because money is actually the energy. If we are sad, depressed, we gossip, we are jealous of someone, money is not going to come to you. Money comes to the party of joy, fun, gratitude. What happens in Diwali? Diwali, all of us, we clean our houses, we light diyas, we declutter our house, which is very, very important. But what is happening to our internal declutter? As our internal world is a reflection of our external world. So no matter how much we clear from outside, if we are stressed, angry, we feel low, and all the internal clutter of emotional instability in our life, our money reality is not going to shift. So it's very important, because everything on planet Earth is energy. Everything on planet Earth is consciousness. No matter how much you clean outside, if your internal clutter is not clear, it's not going to work. And what is Mahalakshmi? What is the significance? Maha is huge and Lakshmi is Lakshya, is focus. So sometimes so many people do things and they are half of the time distracted. It's not going to work. We have to be very focused in everything we do in life. And our energies is a combination of masculine and feminine energies. So it's very important our energies is balanced. Mahalakshmi is the root chakra. Our root chakra is the Muladhar chakra, which is red color. Okay, so red color means it's the yang color, it's the masculine color, and it is action oriented. So it's very important to have some red in the house, so because it's a very action oriented color. But what is a feminine color? It is more to do with love and gratitude, and it's more working on the internal aspect. So it's very important to have both the aspects. So in Diwali also, or generally in your houses, which is very important to have green, to have plants which are mostly, they are green in color. Why? Because green signifies growth, fertility. It is the energy of abundance in our life. Have you noticed an American dollar? What color it is? It is green color. We are not aware that these currencies are there for a reason, and it's such a powerful currency. So please have green plants in the house. It signifies growth. And why am I wishing you happy Children's Day today? Because children, have you ever seen children? They are so joyous, they are so happy. They just, you see a child and your full mood lights up. Why? Because they are the energy of joy and abundance. And have you ever noticed, whatever a child asks, they get it. They don't worry and think where it's going to come from, how I'm going to get it. If the parents refuse, there's some relation or someone will give it to them. So I'm just saying, be the energy. I'm not saying to behave childishly, be childlike, because everyone has an inner child within them. And when we were children, we never doubted anything. We always got what we want. So just focus your energies, be happy, be joyous with everything in your life. And since I know this year has not been a very great year, 2020, please see my earlier videos on Supercharge Your Life, where I've said that we need to shift energies and have lot of sound. Even the vibration of sound, it increases the vibration of your body, because it's very important to be high vibration if you want money to come into your life. So these are little tips. Work, it's very important to clear your chakras. As I said, the root chakra is very important. It's the Muladhar chakra. And if you want to have fame and material things in your life, it's very important that you clear all your chakras. And your heart chakra, which I symbolized on color green, which is a heart chakra is color green, it signifies growth. So if your heart chakra is black, or it's dark because we are stressed or whatever is happening, abundance is not going to come into your life. So these are little tips which will help you to overcome a lot of money realities in your life. And another very important thing is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a very, very powerful attractor of money. So keep it in your purse and wallet. It is very, very, very important. It attracts money. Again, why am I telling you these things? Because these things will change your vibration of your body. That doesn't mean you don't take action. Okay, do meditation, do clearing of energies. If you want more helpful tips, you can contact me, but it is also important to take action. Okay, take action, come out of your comfort level, work on, if sometimes we cannot see our blind spots, we need someone else to help us. So keep a coach or life coach. It is very, very important. So anyway, have these are very, very important tips I've given you. Take cinnamon, wrap money around it, and with this red color string, just wrap the cinnamon and put it in any place in your cupboard or any place in your life. Take money and put it in a red envelope, close it and put it in some safe place of yours. These are very, very powerful techniques. They do attract you. And a very important day for money is Friday. Friday, any business you want to start, anything you want to start on a Friday. But please be a combination of masculine and feminine energies. And if you have gratitude in life, love and respect, you'll see abundance happening in your life. And whenever you spend money, see the energy you're doing. If you're spending money out of lack, oh, I won't have enough, it's not going to come to you. And again, I don't even say spending, I say circulating money. You see the shift in the energy when I say spending and circulating energy. So please, wishing you a very, very happy Diwali once again, of joy and abundance, and circulate this video to your family and friends. These are very, very powerful tips. I have tried them and seen a shift in my life, and forward this video to your family and friends. Any questions you have, do comment on the link, do comment on any more questions you have, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have humongous lots of videos on self-development which will help you to improve any area of your life. And for more details, you can contact me on www.natashaadvani.com, where I do variety of things. Forward this video to your family and friends. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have lots of tips. Thank you.